Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, This Teaching Mama. We will be sharing to you today different farm animals themed hands-on activities for preschoolers. And just like our previous videos, all the free printable used in this video is linked down below on the description box. As you can see here, Kyla is doing the color by animal activity. This activity teaches a child how to follow directions and to develop their fine motor skills by coloring.
This is like a weird one. A monster dog. A monster dog is filled of big browns. They're brown.
The next activity teaches the child on how to use their logical thinking skills by matching and identifying the mother and baby animals. Through this activity, you also teaches the child the names of mother and baby animals. Another logic activity is this animal shadow matching. If your child is around 2 years old, this will be a challenge for them. However, for Ate Kyla, who's already 4, it was an easy one for her. As you can observe, Ate Kyla is enjoying this activity while she is engaging in pretend play. 16, 17, 18,
19.
To practice a child's phonemic awareness skill, this beginning sound activity is great for it.
D for dog. That's P.
That's P. Pig.
This beginning sound activity helps the child to recall her vocabulary words as she answers this one.
Goose.
Goose.
Was that a goose?
That's a dog.
Or is it a duck? Mali si mama.
That's a dog. No rat.
Alright.
That's a rat. L. What?
Which picture?
What is this?
Lamb.
But it.
It's a lamb.
That's a sheep.
Baby pa man siya. It's
No,
a baby.
that's a sheep.
But you don't have S there.
Kyla is already finished answering the worksheet, and here we are reviewing her letter names identification.
That's with,
And my name.
yes, like your name. How about cow? What letter does it start?
C.
How about dog?
B.
D.
D.
How about the lamb?
But oh, you already answered it.
Yeah, what letter does it start? Lamb.
Oh.
And how about the cat?
C.
Alright, you are correct.
Those are my favorite animals.
You cut the pictures. And after that, you put the right picture here on each box. Which comes next? Sige, go ahead.
Duck, cat, duck, cat, duck, cat, duck.
You get the picture. Duckling na or kuan? Chick. A baby chicken.
Duck
I think it's a
What I like about this activity is that it's very hands-on. The child needs to cut and paste and of course apply her logical thinking skills to answer or to finish the activity. To practice their visual discrimination, we have this which is different worksheet.
Potato, 3, potato, 4. 1 potato, 2 potato, 3 potato, 4. 1 potato, 2 potato, 1
Napa?
3 potato, 4. 1, 5. 5 na, me.
May ano? Dili siya. Sa ilalim. 5. And then plus 2. You add 2 more here.
Okay. 1, 2.
Then you count. To know the answer, you need to count everything. Ano? Okay, count everything. So you would know the answer.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So what is the answer? 5 plus 2. Ikaw daw?
5 plus 2 equals 7.
You write 7. You know how to write 7.
Yeah.
Dili, oh.
Addition is the first big mathematical step after early learners build basic number sense. So by using countable manipulatives or physical objects, it will make addition concrete and much easier to understand. Children learn, develop critical skills, and have fun when provided opportunity for creative, artistic expression. Painting, coloring, writing, and making crafts are all creative activities. To enhance her logical thinking skills, I have made this farm animal sorting, which has pictures of farm animals that she needs to put on the right column to sort out correctly.
That one's too big.
Kani daw. Iwan si Enzo. Sama na siya. Oh, excuse me.
What is this? Chicken?
Butang ko. Asa dati?
Check. This is chicken. Check.
Butang.
1 orange block. 2
How about here?
2 green blocks. Napato naman eh.
Okay, what else? What numbers do you see?
I need 3. I need 3 of them.
Dili mo.
1 more.
This activity is nice as it develops 2 skills: her fine motor skills in manipulating these blocks and her counting skills. This structure word family helps the child to practice her phonemic awareness skill. Recognizing CVC word families is an important beginning reading skill. Word families help learners observe patterns within words, which helps them to read and spell more fluently. This sorting activity is also nice for learning rhyming words. This was quite hard for Ate Kyla in sorting out these word family pictures. However, with frequent practice, she'll be able to answer and sort out these word family pictures easily. That's it, everyone. Daghang salamat. I hope you have learned a thing or two from this video in teaching your child at home. And please do consider to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get updated when we upload a new video next time. Daghang salamat. Bye-bye!